Must be country line.
Let's give a big round of applause for Amy Leatherman for putting this event on today. My name is Michael Howley. I am the carrier for Leatherman Lane. I am also a full-time carrier, Idiot Horseshoeing, which is now Elite Equine Hoof Care. And today we are doing a live demonstration on Mikey D. He's a rescue horse that Amy took in a little over a year ago. That's good, which one of the side effects to Cushing's disease is overgrown feet, laminitis, thrush. So today I will be doing a live demonstration on a basic barefoot trim, but also addressing some of the issues that we deal with Mike. We can see here, it has cracks, dark in color. Got to get down to some good, white, clean sole. Got taking too much off, since he does have a history of laminitis, which is rotation of the top bone to the bottom of the hoof caps. We do not want to take too much off for added protection. Alright, so Mikey's history, he has Amy took him in as a rescue. Before that, he was neglected and did not receive good hoof care. So now we have been trying to get him back to what we would consider a good hoof. Yes. So I got the basic overgrown toe cut off with my nippers. Now I just want to kind of look and see what we can change. Dress to get him back in balance without taking too much off, since he has some hoof issues internally.
Yeah, very, very easily. One thing I will say is that when I do get up on my horses, I don't do anything that would make her stand still. I get up on them with a loose rein. I give them the opportunity to make the mistake and correct the mistake. If I always hold on to this horse and I let this horse know that I know she's going to move, she's guaranteed to move. She already told her she's going to move. She's guaranteed to move. So many times I see people get up horses and they're like, whoa, oh, whoa, oh, oh, ho, 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 ho. The horse knows we're all gonna die. I mean, come on now. The horse knows we're gonna die. So go ahead, just loose rein, go up and get on them, and then you can correct it from there.
Mikey says that he misses
Liam. Yeah.
He's upset Liam. He's like ripping the hand.
Different types of strokes. Anything that I do like this, flat hand, is called effleurage. What that does is kind of loosen up the muscles, makes the blood flow better, always increases the circulation, reduces muscle stiffness. When you're doing massage increases your circulation, it brings more blood and oxygen to your muscles, and that's what muscles need to thrive. So, and if they don't have enough blood and oxygen, you'll get cramps. If anybody has any questions, feel free to ask. Yes, we'll work on humans too.
I don't know. I mean, I don't. The biggest thing is.
Another stroke I use is called direct pressure. I usually use 1 or 2 fingers, and I can reinforce my fingers by crossing one over the other. And I just sit and hold the spot until I can feel a release. And you can feel the muscles soften. And once you see the horses, they'll lick at you, they'll yawn, and don't pass gas.
Smile big. Smile. She likes peppermint. Let's see if she likes it enough to wave. Good girl. She did.